Hi everybody, welcome all of you to our channel IAPT Learners Hub. Today I am going to discuss about pointer to multi-dimensional array. How to declare pointer to multi-dimensional array, how to initialize pointer to multi-dimensional array, how to access the pointer to multi-dimensional arrays. Let us discuss one by one with the proper example. Let us see the definition of pointer to multi-dimensional array, how it works. The lesson double dimensional array already I have uploaded in the channel. You can watch that video. I have detailed description, it is there. Okay. Let us see how to use the pointer to multi-dimensional array. Pointers and two-dimensional arrays. In a two-dimensional array, we can access each element using two subscripts, where first subscript represents the row number, second subscript represents the column number. The elements of the double dimensional array can be accessed with the help of pointer notation also. Okay, suppose the name of the array is ARR, is a two-dimensional array. We can access any element using accessing of arrays. That is like this. We have already know how to access the double dimensional array using the array command. ARR, the subscript number for a row, column number. Okay. Like this we can access the elements of double dimensional array that we have already studied. Then how to access the elements of the array using with pointer notation. We have to use right like this. Now we will see how this expression can be derived to access the elements of the array using with the pointer notation. In memory, double dimensional array is arranged like this. In one line. That is, rows are placed next to each other. This is the 1D, then second one-dimensional array, third one-dimensional array. That is, rows are placed next to each other. In memory, it is allocated, double dimensional arrays are allocated like this. It is in a line, but in the theoretically we can learn like this. Okay, this is the three rows. Rows are divided by 4 columns. Okay. Theoretically we can learn like this, but memory it is allocated in a one line, that is row major order. The dimension is stored in a row major order, that rows are placed next to each other. Let us see how double dimensional is initialized in the program and how it is allocated in the memory. We can initialize the double dimensional array like this: a of 3 3, give the numbers one by one. Okay, 3 rows, 3 columns. Then total how many numbers we have? 9 numbers. We can give like this one by one, separated by comma, enclosed with brackets, terminated by semicolon. Then how it is allocated in the memory? Let us see that. It is in memory, elements of double dimensional arrays arranged in row major order. Rows are placed next to each other. Okay. Here, this is the first dimension 1D array, second 1D array, third 1D array. Here, rows are placed next to each other. The identifier of first element of first row, first column is A of 0 0. These are the identifiers of 3 rows of each columns. It is first one row subscript for row, second subscript for column. The base address of first element or first identifier is 1 2 3 4. Okay, then like that rows are arranged in the memory. It is rows are placed next to each other. Is it clear how memory allocated for double dimensional array? Let us study how to assign base address to a pointer. Here, first declare the pointer int, pointer notation p. Okay, here double dimension, data type of double dimensional arrays which you wants to store in the pointer p. Data type is whose data type is integer. Okay. Now, to assign the double dimension array to pointer, here pointer name p is equal to address of a0 a0. Okay, 0 0. Address of a 0 0. Or you can write p is equal to a. P is equal to a means the first address of first element stored in the pointer P. Address of A of 0, 0, all array is pointed to the P. Okay. Now, how to access the elements of double dimensional array? See, we have to follow this expression. Let us discuss how to derive the expression, how to execute this expression. Here, first pointer notation, okay? Then how to execute this expression? P, that is base address of first element, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? Plus row number. Row number is first row. First row means second row, okay? Row number is 1. First row number is 0. 0 is the first row. 1 is the second row. Index starts from 0. Then row number is 1. Now, into columns, number of columns in each row, that is 3. That should multiply first. 1 into 3, 3. Plus J. J means which column. In which column you want to print. That is first row, which column. Which column means 5. Which column means second column. Then 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Okay. Again we have to multiply with the size of integer. Size of integer what? 4. 4. 5 into 4, 20. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 was 4, 20. We got the base address of A of 1, 2. 1, 2, 5. The value stored in the A of 1, 2 is 6. Okay. Did you get the idea how to derive this expression, how to execute this expression? That is base address plus number of column, indicate the row, indicate the row number, that is first row. Then number of columns in each row plus indicate the column of that particular row. Okay, that is 2. Then multiply, indicate the row number into number of columns in each row, that is 1 into 3, 3. Plus indicate the column number, that is 2. 3 plus 2, 5. Then multiply 5 with the number of bytes for integer, that is 4. 5 into 4, 20. Then base address plus 5 into 4, 20. 1, 2, 5. That is the base address of A of 1, 2. See, that is element which you have stored in that 6. Understood? How to find out the base address of the particular double dimensional elements. This is the C++ program for pointers and two-dimensional array. Pointers to two-dimensional array. How to write the program to access pointers to two-dimensional array? Here, first declare the double dimensional array A of 3, 3. First subscript for row, second subscript for column. 3 rows, each row column contains 3 columns. Looping variable ing. Declare all this one by one. Then next declare the pointer v, that is integer. That means a type of double dimensional array is int, that is pointed to p. Then clear the screen. Then prompt statement, enter the elements for double dimension array. For double dimensional array we require 2 for loops. First is for row, second is for column. Okay. Then give the input statement to store the elements of first row, first column, second row for second column, third row, third column. That is first to fill the first row, then go to the second row, then go to the third row. That is first loop for rows, second loop for columns. Take the first loop, first row, then fill the 3 columns, go to the second row, fill the 3 columns, go to the third row, fill the 3 columns. That purpose we required 2 for loops. Then we store the elements of each rows or all columns. Okay, each row of columns. Then how to access or print the elements of double dimensional array? Initialize the pointer p to first element, address of first element, address of A of 0, 0. Okay. Then print the elements of two-dimensional prompt statement. Okay. Then message for output. Then take the first row. Initially the first value 0, then less than or equal to less than 3. That's 0, 1, 2. Then take the column 0, initialized 0, take the final value 3. Then print the elements of each row, that is P. That is first base address of pointer is address of first element plus what is that? Column number, row number is 0. 0 into each row, how many columns are there? 3 columns. Into 3, 0 plus J. J also 0. What will print? 12,003 first element. First row, first element will print. Okay. The second time I into 3, that is row is number of elements 3, row number is 0 plus J 1. 1 means 1 into 4, 4. But base address of pointer plus 4. Okay. And first row, first line, second element, like the third element. Then we'll go to the second column. Second row means 1. 1 into 3, 3. Plus J. J means 3 plus 1, 4. 4 into 4, 12. Then P plus 12. That is sum to the second row. Then print all the columns. Okay. Then go to the third row. Like that. We'll get all the elements of the double dimensional. Then wait for the user's permission. Get CH. Close the program. Then what is the output of that same program? This is the output. And store the elements 1, 2, 3 to 9. Then print them form like this, matrix form. Printer or like a matrix format will get the input. Okay, finished. Period pointer to double dimensional array. We already learned how to declare the double pointer to double dimensional array, how to initialize pointer to double dimensional array, how it is allocated in the memory, how to print the pointer to double dimensional array. Okay, thank you for watching. Next class I will come to the function to pointer. Last chapter of pointer section, function to pointer. Thank you for watching. Subscribe the channel.